Roscoe rolling with his trot and growling. Penrith born and bred with a two stay rolling. Boots hit the ground, he don't talk too long. Straight to the point, get in, get it done. Been at G&W Hydraulics near as long as Big Mark. Two Penrith blokes keep the workshop sharp. Pipes pump steel, what it ever goes wrong. Roscoe's the man who sorts it strong. He's Roscoe the plumber, built for the grind. Lunch hits quick and he's out like a light. Head on the dash for a midday nap. Wake up swinging with his toolbox back. Penrith in his blood, Penrith in his soul. Roscoe no filter, straight up and bold. If the job needs grit, he's the first you call. Doesn't dress it up, doesn't stall at all. From Jamison town streets to the Nepean's glow, Roscoe's the bloke every local knows. He's Roscoe the plumber, built for the grind. Lunch hits quick and he's out like a light. Head on the dash for a midday nap. Wake up swinging with his toolbox back. Penrith in his blood, Penrith in his soul. Roscoe no filter, straight up and bold. Yeah, Roscoe the man that paramedic knows. Trotting on the road and he's ready to go. Plumber built for the grind. Lunch hits quick